Hi, and welcome to Abraz Around the House. Today I'm going to be going over part one of the Garage Makeover series, where I take a little deeper dive into some of these areas of the garage to give you more detail and to show you some video of the before and after as well, and how that came about. This area in particular is what I call the service station area of the garage. The reason for that is it has some of the components of the service station, but also one of the main reasons I created this area too was in memory of my dad, who passed away a few years ago, and he was an auto mechanic, and he also owned a couple of gas stations, and his first job was at a Sinclair gas station. And I also in college worked at service station because that's what I knew, and it was a great experience for me at that time as well. But this area does have electricity, of course. Make sure that we had an outlet here, as well as that's a GFI outlet, so that because it's near the water source, and with water spigot, as well as air that runs in the wall. And I'll show you, I think it's part 3, where the air compressor is located and how I did that part, but it just goes right into the wall here. Also, this cabinet here is a part of that, and all of my car-related things in here for the most part, and cleaning materials and such for the car. So in this next portion, what I'm going to do is grab the video camera, get a little bit closer, and show you some detail over here on this side. Alright, we're going to show you a little bit more close-up shots and go over a little more detail into this area. First of all, this plywood trim basically that I put in here goes completely around the garage, and it serves a couple purposes. Number one was to hold the diamond plate aluminum so that I could do the LED lighting to go around, but also probably general purpose of it was to make sure it holds my shelving that you see there, and also my bike racks on the other side. So the diamond plate I purchased online, and I'll show you the link to that in my descriptions, and it's easy to cut with a table saw using a metal cutting blade. And then this disc here, actually I purchased at, I believe, Home Depot. It's just a pine round, and that's where my clock goes. And I'll show you how it gets installed later. Then of course, can't have a service station area unless you have the old-fashioned paper towel dispenser, and so we have that with the Sinclair logo there, and that's just a sticker that I bought to add to it. So this is my dad right here, and he actually worked at Sinclair, his first job, and so we got a couple of little Sinclair items there. This picture is from a bike trip that I took down in the area he was born, and this is a picture of me working at a service station while I was in college. So this is the Zilla reel, which is the electric retractable, and then we have the retractable hose for the air, and that is the Flex Zilla, and both of them are 50 feet, and then the outlet here, as you can see, and then the spigot that comes out of the wall there. I did also do base trim around the bottom, and that diamond plate that you see there is just a diamond plate sticker. Actually, I cut the stickers to match that size, and that goes over that baseboard trim, and it sticks real nice there, and I haven't had any problems at all with that coming off, and it's been there for a little over a year now. So this is where the air hose goes into the wall, and then it ends up going through the wall around to that side over there, and I'll show you in that part 3 how that looks. So this is the area. So I'm going to put all the accessories on, and then we'll come back and finish up. Okay, so as you can see, everything has a place, and this is the gas station area, section 1 of the garage. You see we got our hose over here with all my things that I need for car washing, and then our air hose, electric, accessories. This slat board here is great for moving things around, readjusting. My clock. I do have an electric outlet back here as well with a smart plug on there, so I can turn off all of this pretty easily. Alexa, garage off. Good night. Alexa, garage on.
Okay.
Alright, so you can see everything is connected to smart plugs and smart switches. I got our trash can here. This is my area that I keep my bike rack for my car, and a broom and dustpan is over here as well. So this is the final look here. Oh, we'll go ahead and open this, get a little closer look at the organization here. We'll start at the top. This is where we keep my car cleaning supplies, other car accessories and supplies, and some spray cleaners and such. Everything, try to make sure everything has a place, and so this is the final look. Thank you for joining me for this part of the garage makeover, part 1, and we look forward to doing the next part, which will be covering this area right over here. And this area is the sink, and then there's a workbench, and of course some shelving and things that I want to cover in that. But this has been enjoyable for me to give to you. Just make sure that you like and subscribe, and then also if you have any interest in any of the areas or items that are part of this, just look down in the comments area and I'll have some links there for you. So have a great day. Enjoy it. It's a beautiful day here.